Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Goldencat token. Now the Goldencat token is getting a couple big central exchange listings. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So there is 9 decimal places on this token. It's a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. Right now they have 3,722 holders, doing very well, this project. And there is a max total supply of 690 million tokens. Now, I saw at least 2 big central exchange listing announcements for this token here. The first one I saw was for Gate. So tomorrow, October 27th, at 2 p.m. UTC time, this token will be listed on Gate or Gate.io. And then also, same time, 14 hours, which is 2 p.m. UTC time, tomorrow, October 27th, this token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Goldencat, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. Now, on Gate and on Mexc Global and maybe other central exchange listings, they have the ticker symbol as Goldencat, all one word. But if you are actually looking this token up on BSC Scan, the actual ticker symbol is CATS, C-A-T-S. And the reason they changed it on central exchanges is because most likely there's already been tokens with the same ticker symbol as CATS. So that's how you would tell that this is the Goldencats token and not just some other CATS token where people would get confused. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there. You'll see it says, you'll see right there, it says ticker symbol CATS, blue verified check mark. It says original cat, Goldencat, BNB chain, has a link to their webpage right there, goldencat.io. They just joined in June 2024. They already have 240 tweets, very active on the socials, 5,869 Twitter followers already. So introducing the Goldencat. Goldencat was born at a time when Binance Smart Chain is poised to reclaim its former glory. Its mission is not only to ride the Memecoin wave, but to emerge as a leading token to drive the growth and the golden age of meme coins on BSC. So the name Goldencat is a perfect blend of 2 powerful symbols. Gold, representing endurance, prosperity, and countless positive connotations. And that's paired with cat, a beloved animal known for its intelligence and grace. Together they symbolize a community of cat lovers striving for shared prosperity. If you are a cat lover and aim for prosperity, join the Goldencat revolution on the Binance Smart Chain. Now, it says their team, we've witnessed an exciting resurgence of meme coins on BSC, fueled by the return of our visionary founder, CZ. Inspired by this momentum, we created the Goldencat with a clear mission to lead the next wave of meme coin innovation. By joining the Goldencat community, you'll be at the forefront of this exciting movement And together, we will redefine the Memecoin landscape and build a thriving playground that benefits everyone involved. Now, you can get this token off of a DEX like PancakeSwap, and that is most likely where, you know, the 3,000 something holders got it from already, or maybe a pre-sale as well. But they say here that there is tax, so 5% buy and 5% sell tax. So you are going to have to set some slippage if you do buy this token off a DEX. Now, how you would do that if you wanted to. First of all, you would need a wallet, like a Trust Wallet or MetaMask wallet that you could download from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund your wallet with a BSC. Now, you could fund your wallet with BSC from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you fund your wallet with BSC, then you would go into the dApps, and you would find PancakeSwap, and then using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, which is right there, goldencat.io, you would trade your BSC for the Goldencat token. You will have to set your slippage around 5% for buys and sells. Now, 4% of that taxes goes to marketing, a sustainable funding to ensure continuous marketing and development with the goal of becoming a top meme coin. And 1% goes to liquidity burn mechanism, triggered by every transaction gradually decreases the token supply over time, creating upward price pressure and long-term value for the holders. Now, they have a roadmap on here, starting with phase 1, launch the website, pink sale pre-sale. So that's probably where a lot of holders came from, was the pink sale pre-sale. Then audit the smart contract by CertiK, pre-launch marketing, launch on PancakeSwap. Then phase 2 is going to be listing on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, listing on central exchanges like Gate and Mexc Global. Then community events, collaborate with major partners, and then it says more phases like phase 3, etc. coming soon. So you have to stay tuned for that. Now, they do have a Telegram that you could follow as well at Goldencat BSC, 6,778 members, 1,340 of them are online. And it says Goldencat, BNB chain, let's make it happen together. So you can check out all their socials, check out the meme page, the meme page, the web page. They even have a Twitter community you could join right there if you scroll down. It's called the Goldencat Culture Community. And yeah, so check it all out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one where this token's being listed tomorrow. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.